Presenting the OnePlus 9RT 5G. It comes in color options of Hacker Black and Nano Silver. The phone has display of 6.62 inches, 2400 by 1080 and 120 Hz Fluid AMOLED. The phone also has dual view, Corning Gorilla Glass and in-display fingerprint sensor. It has 50MP main camera, 16MP ultra-wide-angle camera and 2MP macro lens. It has front, selfie. It has Sony IMX766 lens, OIS, Pro mode and portrait mode. Macro mode, video portrait, and night mode. It comes with 500 mAh. It supports dual LED and 5G enabled. It runs on OxygenOS based on Android 11. It is powered by processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. It also features fingerprint scanner and Gorilla Glass, LED flash and camera. The delivery box contains adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.